Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look here at compliance programs. And so there's a lot of different ones that are for Azure, but I figured we should go through some of them so you get a bit more familiarity with this. Same stuff we covered in the AZ900, but if you didn't take that certification, then this is a great opportunity to see them firsthand, okay? So the first one here is the Criminal Justice Information Services. This stands for, the initialism here is CJIS. So any state or local agency that wants access to the FBI's database is required to adhere to the CJIS security policy. Then you have the Cloud Security Alliance, CSA, STAR certification. This is an independent third-party assessment of a cloud provider's security posture. Then you have the GDPR. This is a European privacy law, imposes new rules on companies, governments, agencies, nonprofits, and other orgs that offer goods and services to people in the European Union or that collect analyze data tied to EU residents. This one is a very well-known one because even if you don't live in the EU, you still basically have to enforce this on your website. This goes for everybody, which is if people want to delete their data, they should be able to. They should know what kind of data is being collected, etc. We have the EU model clauses. This is the contractual guarantees around transfers of personal data outside the EU. You have Hipaa, so this is a U.S. federal law that regulates patient-protected health information. You have the ISO 27018. This is a code of practice covering the processing of personal information by cloud service providers. You have multi-tier cloud security. This is operational Singapore security management standard. It's a common standard that cloud service providers can apply to address customer concerns about security and confidentiality of data in the cloud and an impact of business of using cloud services. Then you have SOC, Service Organization Controls. So there's SOC 1, 2, and 3. So these are independent third-party examination reports that demonstrate how the company achieves key compliance controls and objectives. Generally, tech companies are going for SOC 2 compliance. So we'll go into the next section here. We have Nist, Cybersecurity Framework. This is a voluntary framework that consists of standards, guidelines, and best practices to manage cybersecurity-related risks. Then you have like government-specific ones. So like there's one for Canada, there's one for all sorts of countries, but this is a UK-specific one. It's called Gcloud, and it's a cloud computing certification for services used by government entities in the United Kingdom. And then you have FIPS, so Federal Information Processing Standard. This is a U.S. and Canada government standard that specifies the security requirements for cryptographic modules that protect sensitive information.